Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you Cat Got Your Tongue. And you'll notice that it's spelled with a K because our main character in this book, her name starts with a K. So this phrase, Cat Got Your Tongue, actually comes from ancient Egypt. People that were considered liars actually had their tongue cut out and fed to cats. So there may be some reflection back on where this phrase came from. Also, if you'll look at the picture, you'll notice this cat kind of resembles ancient Egypt. So in this book, our main character wakes up after a horrible car accident, and she cannot remember where she is or who she is. The doctors tell her that she is Kathy, but when she looks in the mirror, she has no idea who that girl is looking back at her. So she can deal with that. She can deal with it. She's going to have to learn some things. She can even cope with the fact that classes are not the way she expected them to be at school. But the one thing she's having a hard time dealing with is that her mother wants the old Kathy back. Also, her old friends have something that they're not really telling Kathy, something that they haven't forgotten about Kathy and that they haven't really forgiven either. But there's lots of secrets. So to find out what has happened and what happened in the past, you would have to check out Cat Got Your Tongue. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.